Greetings, people of the internet. It is I, the Pokemon Man, and welcome back to another installation of my competitive Pokemon opinions. This time we are covering Hisuian Zoroark. I'm just gonna say this now, this thing's really broken. It's really broken. Anyway, it's Ghost Normal type, and it only has one ability, that being Illusion. Has base 55 HP, 100 attack, 60 defense and special defense, 125 special attack, and 110 speed, for a base stat total of 510. This thing is extremely broken, because not only does its illusion ability make it so that it's able to disguise as a different Pokemon, but also the combination of Ghost Normal is really broken, having 3 immunities and only 1 weakness, which it could just get rid of by terastallizing into a different type. Plus, it has fantastic coverage options, like all around. It has Shadow Ball, Flamethrower, Sludge Bomb, Focus Blast. Plus, its signature move, Bitter Malice, drops the attack stat of any Pokemon it hits. Plus, it has fantastic setup moves like Nasty Plot and Swords Dance. So, yep, it's moving. So yeah, we're just gonna move straight on over to this. Whiteboard mode. I'm putting Hisuian Zoroark in should be banned. It's too broken. It's a... Okay, how do I draw this? It is a fox creature with hair. Draw a little ear right there. There we go. Hisuian Zoroark. That looks nothing like it.